Welcome to Tales of Turkey, where today we journey to the heart of southeastern Anatolia, Gaziantep, a city where ancient history, vibrant markets, and world-renowned cuisine come together to create a sensory masterpiece. Known as the culinary capital of Turkey, Gaziantep offers far more than just food. It's a city where culture is served on every street corner. As the sun gently rises over Gaziantep, it illuminates a mosaic of history and modern life. Nestled against a rugged landscape, the city's minarets, domes, and rooftops glow with a golden hue, telling stories of a civilization that dates back thousands of years. Step into the heart of Gaziantep's old town, and you're met with a maze of stone streets, ancient caravanserais, and lively bazaars. Here, time seems to slow down. Copper artisans hammer out intricate designs while spice vendors display colorful pyramids of red pepper, sumac, and cumin. Home to one of the world's largest mosaic collections, the Zeugma Mosaic Museum is a treasure trove of Roman-era art. Each tile tells a mythological tale, none more famous than the haunting gypsy girl, whose mysterious eyes seem to follow you through time. But perhaps nothing defines Gaziantep more than its gastronomic heritage. Watch as layers of thin, buttery dough are stacked, filled with crushed pistachios, and baked to golden perfection. This is where authentic baklava was born, an edible legacy so rich, it's now protected by UNESCO. On the streets, sizzling skewers of kebab fill the air with irresistible aromas. Locals gather in small eateries, saving dishes like katmer, a sweet pastry layered with pistachio and cream, or the fiery bayran soup, perfect for a bold Turkish breakfast. Gazing over the city is the mighty Gaziantep Castle, a sentinel from the Roman era, later fortified by the Byzantines. From its ramparts, you can see the past and present coexist, an eternal dialogue of resilience and reinvention. Craftsmanship is at the soul of Gaziantep. Whether it's mother-of-pearl inlaid furniture, hand-woven kilims, or the rhythmic clinking of copper pots being forged, each craft carries centuries of knowledge passed from one generation to the next. Beyond the landmarks and food, Gaziantep thrives on its people. From cheerful street vendors to elderly storytellers sipping tea in shaded courtyards, this is a city built on community, hospitality, and pride in heritage. As evening descends, the city takes on a magical glow. Tea houses hum with conversations and the soft strum of the saz. Lanterns flicker along cobblestone paths, inviting you to linger just a little longer. From its legendary cuisine to its living history, Gaziantep is more than just a destination, it's a cultural feast waiting to be savored. So if you ever find yourself craving a taste of Turkey's soul, come to Gaziantep. It will fill your heart and your plate. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tales of Turkey, where every city has a story.